welcome. I, I am Professor J.B. Wadone, Department of Botany. Today's explain the topic recurrent selection. Introduction. Recurrent selection. Recurrent selection means reselection generation after generation with interbreeding of selected plant to provide for genetic recombination. The initial idea about recurrent selection was independently given by Hayes and Garber in 1919 and East and Jones in 1920. This procedure of recurrent selection was described by Jenkins in 1940. The term recurrent selection was coined by Hull in 1945. Recurrent selection. Main features of recurrent selection. First, application. Second, base population. Third, improvement. Important steps. Use of end product and impact. Application. It is used in cross-pollinated species and now it is also used in self-pollinated species. Second one, base population. For open pollinated variety, synthetic variety, progeny of intercrosses among selected inbreeds and double crosses and single crosses. These are the base populations crosses. Important steps. Simple recurrent selection are main 5 steps. Selection of superior plant from base population. Second one, selfing of selected plants. Growing progeny of selected plants in the next season from self seed. Intermating among progeny. Bulking of cross seed in equal quantity. The bulk seed is used for next cycle of selection. Use of end product. Producing homozygous inbred by selfing and the production of hybrid varieties. And third one, production of synthetic varieties. Impact. Recurrent selection is used to improve the frequency of desirable alleles for in tree population. Types of recurrent selection. There are major 4 types. First one, simple recurrent selection for general combinability, recurrent selection for specific combinability, and last one, reciprocal recurrent selection. Simple recurrent selection, a type of recurrent selection that does not include a tester, also called as phenotypic recurrent selection. The tester is not used in this scheme. It does not measure the combinability. The selection is based on phenotype or simple test. This method is useful only for those characters which have high heritability. Steps in breeding a variety by simple recurrent selection. This is the process of simple recurrent selection. Select superior phenotypic or cell seed are harvested in bulk uh, in first year and second year. Individual plant progenies are planted. All possible intercrosses are made and seed are composited. Third year, composited intercross seed are planted. Selfing is done, and last year, fourth year, individual plant progenies are planted. All possible intercrosses are made and seed are estimated. These are the steps of breeding a variety by simple recurrent selection. First year simple selection cycle and third and fourth year first recurrent selection cycles. Recurrent selection for GCA. A form of recurrent selection which is used to improve gender combinability of population for character using heterozygous tester. This method is used for genetic improvement quantitative character selection on test cross performance. This method used for improving GCA population for character improvement of those characters which governed by ID2 gene. Recurrent selection for SCA, a form of recurrent selection that is used to improve the specific combinability of population for character using homozygous test, also called half SIB recurrent selection with homozygous tester. Genetic improvement of polygenic character selection is made on the basis of the test cross performance. This is the process of general combinability recurrent selection. First year First is several plants selected on the basis of phenotype. Selected plants are self-pollinated and test cross as male to number or of randomly selected plant from tester with a broad genetic base. Second year, replicated yield trial conducting using test cross progeny and superior progeny is identified. Third year, Third year, shelf seed from a plant producing superior test cross progeny is planted in crossing block. Uh, Crossing block. Fourth year, all possible intercross made an equal seed from all intercross is composited and for composited seed from the intercross planted as above. First and fifth first year, first and third year. Fifth year, as in the case second year, items uh, repeat repeatedly, and say sixth year intercross block as it is third year. It may be repeated as in the first recurrent selection cycle. Reciprocal recurrent selection. In this method, two heterozygous tests are used for crossing. The scheme was proposed by Comstock et al. In 1949. Improves both GCA and SCA population for character. This method used for genetic improvement of polygenic character. This method is also known as the recurrent reciprocal selection. Several plants selected in the population A and B. Uh, Selected plants self-pollinated. Each selected plants from a test cross with several random plants from B and vice versa. And test cross progeny and self seed from each selected plant harvested separately. Second year, separate yield trials conducted for test cross progenies from population A and B and superior progeny identified. Uh, Third year, self seed from plant producing superior test cross progenies planted. All possible intercross are made and seed from all intercross of the population mix. These are the original selection cycle of reciprocal recurrent selection. Merits of recurrent selection. Recurrent selection is efficient breeding method for increasing the frequency of superior gene in population. It helps in maintaining high genetic variability in population due to the repeated intermating of heterozygous population. The selection is made on the basis of test cross performance, and only selected plant are allowed for intermating. Demerits of recurrent selection. This method involves a lot of selection, crossing and selfing work. This method permits selfing, which leads to the loss of genetic variability. This method is not used directly for development of new varieties.